Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So Sithelo Susie penned down a cryptic message on her Instagram after she called out Mkhize for lying and defending her son Andile Mpisane. You guys, Mkhize said she has no recall of Sithelo being beaten up in front of the family. This comes after Sithelo spoke out for the first time that she actually left Andile Mpisane for his abusive and controlling ways. So Sithelo penned down this emotional message, you guys, and I have to say I am a total mess right now from reading this, so here it goes. Dear narcissist, you wanted to win at destroying me. Newsflash, epic fail. However, you did succeed in changing me. I used to be a person with a soft heart who forgave easily. You should pray that I live long life and that I regain the person I used to be before an uncaring monster entered my life. Because if I die today, I am me. I'm no longer a forgive everything person. I'm not Jesus, and I will never pretend to be some false self. That's the difference between me and you. I am real. Unless time soften my heart again, I do not forgive you or your family. You should pray that I am not the deciding factor between God's mercy or his destruction of you. God has promised me revenge against my enemy. Unlike you, the real God keeps his promise. If it happens today, I will ask to watch and ask for popcorns. Severe pain changes people. You, of all people, should know that you were never there for me. You gave nothing. You once told me everyone has a choice. On your judgment day, I will be given a choice. You will get what you gave, what is promised to me, and what you and your family deserve. But you had fun, right? Sure, guys, what an emotional and touching message that Sithelo had to write. Now, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on our next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.